Howdy, farming friends. In this episode, we're putting the spotlight on high-tech farming equipment that's making waves in the industry. Stick around for an up-close look at these impressive machines. John Deere 6250. The John Deere 6250 is a robust and high-performance tractor designed for versatility in modern agriculture. Powered by a strong engine, the 6250 model delivers substantial horsepower, ensuring efficient and reliable operation across a spectrum of farming activities. Its advanced transmission system, often featuring the AutoPower Infinitely Variable Transmission (IVT), enables smooth speed control, optimizing fuel efficiency and power distribution during fieldwork. With a spacious and ergonomic cab, the 6250 prioritizes operator comfort, providing intuitive controls and excellent visibility for enhanced productivity during long working hours. Known for its adaptability, this tractor is equipped to handle various implements and tasks, including plowing, planting, and hauling. Precision farming technologies, such as integrated guidance systems, contribute to resource optimization and increased overall efficiency on the farm. John Deere 8530. The John Deere 8530 is a powerful and versatile tractor, renowned for its exceptional performance in modern agriculture. With a robust engine delivering significant horsepower, the 8530 excels in a variety of farming tasks, from heavy-duty field work to precision operations. Equipped with advanced technology, such as the AutoPower Infinitely Variable Transmission (IVT), this tractor provides seamless speed control, optimizing fuel efficiency and power distribution. Featuring a spacious and comfortable cab, the 8530 prioritizes operator comfort, with intuitive controls and excellent visibility, ensuring productivity during long working hours. The tractor's versatility allows it to handle a range of implements and tasks, including plowing, seeding, and harvesting. Precision farming capabilities, like integrated guidance systems, contribute to resource optimization and increased overall efficiency on the farm. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates every day. Ford 7610. The Ford 7610 is a classic tractor model that holds a prominent place in agricultural history. Introduced in the late 1970s and manufactured until the mid-1980s, this tractor is part of the 10 series produced by Ford. Powered by a robust engine, the 7610 offered substantial horsepower, making it well-suited for a variety of farm tasks, from plowing to hauling. Known for its reliability and durability, the Ford 7610 featured a sturdy design and a simple yet effective transmission system. The tractor's versatility allowed it to adapt to different implements and applications, contributing to its popularity among farmers. With its iconic blue color and distinctive styling, the 7610 remains a nostalgic symbol of the era of classic farm machinery. Massey Ferguson 8.305. The Massey Ferguson 8.305 is a modern and powerful tractor that belongs to the 8S series by Massey Ferguson. Equipped with a robust AGCO power engine, the 8.305 delivers impressive horsepower and fuel efficiency, catering to the diverse needs of contemporary agriculture. Its Dyna e-Power dual-clutch transmission ensures smooth and efficient power transfer during fieldwork. Featuring advanced technology, the 8.305 incorporates the MF Connect telemetry system, providing real-time monitoring and data management capabilities for farmers. The spacious and ergonomically designed cab prioritizes operator comfort, with intuitive controls and excellent visibility. The tractor's versatile design allows it to handle a wide range of implements and tasks, from plowing to seeding and harvesting. Fendt 936 Vario. The Fendt 936 Vario is a powerful and versatile tractor renowned for its performance in modern agriculture. Powered by a robust engine, the 936 Vario boasts substantial horsepower, ensuring efficiency in a variety of farming tasks. Equipped with the Fendt Vario transmission, this tractor offers seamless speed control and adaptability, optimizing fuel efficiency and power distribution during operation. Featuring a spacious and ergonomic cab, the 936 Vario prioritizes operator comfort with intuitive controls and excellent visibility. Its versatility allows it to handle various implements and tasks, making it suitable for plowing, planting, and hauling. The tractor's advanced technology includes features like the Vario Guide guidance system, contributing to precision farming practices. John Deere 8RX. The John Deere 8RX is a revolutionary tractor designed to provide unmatched performance and versatility in the field of agriculture. With its innovative 4-track design, the 8RX offers superior traction, reduced soil compaction, and enhanced stability, ensuring optimal efficiency during various farming operations. Powered by advanced engine technology, the 8RX delivers impressive horsepower, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks such as tillage, planting, and harvesting. The E18 PowerShift transmission and Command View 3 cab with a Gen 4 command center contribute to a seamless and comfortable operating experience for the tractor's operator. Equipped with precision farming technologies like AutoTrack and JD-Link, the 8RX supports efficient data management, remote monitoring, and precise guidance, enhancing overall farm productivity. The tractor's versatility is further emphasized by its compatibility with a wide range of implements, allowing farmers to tackle diverse tasks with a single machine. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates every day. FAHR 8280 TTV. The DEUTZ FAHR 8280 TTV is a high-performance tractor known for its technological sophistication and efficiency in modern agriculture. Equipped with a powerful Deutz engine, the 8280 TTV delivers substantial horsepower, ensuring optimal performance in various farming tasks. The innovative TTV, tractor track variation, transmission provides seamless speed control and adaptability, optimizing fuel efficiency and power distribution during operation. Featuring a spacious and ergonomically designed cab, the 8280 TTV prioritizes operator comfort with intuitive controls and excellent visibility. The tractor's advanced technology includes features like the Agroski precision farming system, contributing to precision agriculture practices. Known for its versatility, the 8280 TTV can handle a diverse range of implements and tasks, making it suitable for plowing, seeding, and hauling. With a robust construction and durable design, Deutz FAHR emphasizes reliability, ensuring the tractor can withstand the demands of modern farming. John Deere 7530. The John Deere 7530 is a versatile tractor designed to deliver reliable performance in various agricultural applications. With a robust engine, this model boasts substantial horsepower, ensuring efficiency and productivity on the farm. The 7530 features the AutoQuad Plus transmission, offering seamless speed control and adaptability to different tasks, from fieldwork to transport. Equipped with advanced technology, the tractor's command center display provides operators with intuitive controls and real-time monitoring for improved precision during operations. The spacious and well-designed cab prioritizes operator comfort, enhancing productivity during long working hours. Precision farming capabilities, including integrated guidance systems, contribute to optimized resource management and increased overall efficiency. John Deere X9 1100. The John Deere X9 1100 is a cutting-edge combine harvester designed to meet the demands of large-scale farming operations. With its impressive horsepower and advanced threshing system, the X9 1100 delivers high capacity and efficiency during the harvest. The dual separator technology in this model ensures thorough grain separation, resulting in superior grain quality. Equipped with an expansive cleaning area and the active terrain adjustment feature, the X9 1100 adapts to varying field conditions, maintaining optimal performance. Its spacious and technologically advanced cab provides operators with a comfortable working environment, featuring intuitive controls and enhanced visibility. The X9 1100 integrates advanced precision farming technologies, including JD-Link connectivity, allowing for remote monitoring and data management. The combine's large grain tank capacity ensures extended harvesting periods without frequent unloading stops, contributing to increased productivity. Jaguar 970. The Kloss Jaguar 970 is a high-performance forage harvester known for its exceptional efficiency in the agricultural sector. Powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine, the Jaguar 970 delivers formidable horsepower, ensuring optimal productivity during forage harvesting. Its innovative VMAX chopping cylinder and powerful shredding technology result in finely chopped forage suitable for various applications. Equipped with the Kloss autofill system, the Jaguar 970 streamlines the loading process, enhancing efficiency and reducing operator workload. The spacious and well-designed cabin provides operators with a comfortable and ergonomic working environment, featuring intuitive controls for enhanced usability during extended operation hours. Fendt 939. The Fendt 939 is a powerful and technologically advanced tractor, renowned for its efficiency and versatility in modern agriculture. With a robust engine delivering significant horsepower, the 939 excels in various farming tasks, from heavy-duty fieldwork to precision applications. The Vario transmission, a hallmark of Fendt tractors, provides seamless speed control and adaptability, optimizing fuel efficiency and power distribution. Featuring a spacious and ergonomic cab, the 939 prioritizes operator comfort with intuitive controls and excellent visibility. Precision farming capabilities, including guidance systems and variable rate technology, contribute to resource optimization and increased overall efficiency on the farm. The tractor's versatility allows it to handle a wide range of implements and tasks, making it suitable for plowing, seeding, and hauling. That's all for you today. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.